students, today we will start class 8th SST Geography chapter 1st. Chapter name is all about resources. This is the first part of this video. In this chapter we will learn about what are resources, different kinds of resources, unequal distribution of resources, and conserving resources. First of all, we understand what is resource. What is resource? Anything that you use to satisfy your need is resource. Example, this copy, this pen, anything you use or satisfy your need. There are three types of resources. First, natural resource, second, human resource, and man-made resource. Natural resources, these are resources that we get from our environment. ये resources हम अपने environment से get करते हैं. There are many ways of classifying natural resources. Natural resource को classify करने के लिए बहुत सारे ways हैं. First way आपको बताती हूँ, non-renewable and renewable. Non-renewable resources are those that have taken millennium to form. Since their rate of formation is slow, they cannot be replenished. Replenished means refill. Since their rate of formation is slow, they cannot be replenished once they are depleted. Depleted means used up. मीन्स नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज वो होते हैं जो जिनको बनने के लिए बहुत मिलेनियम लगते हैं, ईयर्स लगते हैं, और उनका फॉर्मेशन वेरी स्लो होता है और वो रीफिल नहीं किए जा सकते. जब वो एक बार अगर डिप्लीटेड कर दिए जाएं, मीन्स यूज़ कर लिए जाएं, तो उसके बाद वो रिसोर्स रीफिल नहीं किया जा सकता. उन्हें ही नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज कहते हैं. जस्ट लाइक कोल, पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस आर नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. On the other hand, can be replenished, although some can take longer than others to get renewed. और renewed resources वो होते हैं जो replenished किए जा सकते हैं और उनको बनने में मतलब वो बहुत दिन तक चलते हैं और replenished किए जा सकते हैं. वही renewable resource होते हैं. Second classification is biotic and abiotic. Biotic resources are included all living resources such as plants and animals are biotic resources. Abiotic resources, these resources include all non-living things such as air, water, land and minerals like diamonds, gold and copper. These are abiotic resources. Another way of classifying natural resources is on the basis of stage of development. First is potential resources, second is actual resources. Potential resources are resources which will be of use in the future. These are potential resources. For example, we know that petroleum deposits exist in areas that have sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks means this is a types of rock that are formed by accumulation or deposition of small particles of minerals are called sedimentary rocks. But until they are found, drilled out and put to use, they remain potential or possible resources. Potential power का resource का example मैंने बताया. We know that petroleum deposit exist in areas that have sedimentary rocks, but until they are found, drilled out and put to use, they remain potential or possible resources. Second is actual resources. Actual resources are those that have been surveyed and mapped, their quantity and quality determined and are being used at present. For example, active drilling at the Mumbai high oil fields is yielding natural gas and crude oil. We will understand more points in the next part. Thanks for watching.